Navigation around the 3D workspace is very straightforward. If you have a middle mouse button, then is click and hold your middle mouse and move your mouse left, right, up and down. If you want to pan around your scene, you shift middle mouse and then you can move your scene around. And if you want to zoom in, it's a control and middle mouse and move your mouse up and down to zoom in and out. Okay, if you don't happen to have a middle mouse button, or you're using a trackpad on a laptop or something, you can go to Edit and Preferences, and on the input options, we'll emulate a 3-button mouse. And once that's done, it's Alt and left mouse to rotate, Shift Alt left mouse to pan, and Control Alt left mouse to zoom in and out. So that's navigation around the 3D viewport. I'll talk to you another time.